This video guide will help you to get rid of the browser notifications that are associated with the website Onesefurt.xyz. Some people may suddenly see these strange pop-ups to attack their browsers. Mainly these pop-ups target Google Chrome, possibly Firefox, and possibly some other browsers too. These pop-ups indicate that people need to click on this Allow button to help them continue their browsing. But to click on Allow button is surely a mistake. In this case, you may be forwarded to some other junk or shady websites. Plus, you may start receiving the great portion of ads that may be really filthy and may point your attention to a lot of other shady resources. These ads will be displayed as web push notifications randomly in the right part of your screen. To get rid of them, access the menu, go to Settings, choose Security and Privacy, Site Settings, scroll down to Permissions and select Notifications. Now you should pay attention to the websites allowed to send notifications. If you find this malicious site, you should get rid of it from this list and delete other junk sites that could be causing such pop-up ads on your screen. This should fix the issues manually, but I would also recommend that you research your device additionally with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, and the best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. Download the program using this green button, install the software, and then begin researching your system to detect and eliminate other infections from your computer effectively. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.